What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another windy day out here in Arizona. We're gonna get this kayak unbeached and head out into this pond. The last time I was out here, there are a couple big marks. I'm thinking they're striper. There's like 4 big stripers swimming out in this pond. I don't know how the hell they got out here, but they're here. I've caught one of them. Let's get this kayak off the beach and go fishing. Holy shit, she is ripping. Yes, sir. It is white capping in a pond. That's how bad it's ripping right now. We're gonna get one of these swim baits going and see if we can get it hooked up on a striper. If not, I'm gonna go hug it in a cove and do a little bass fishing. So let's get going. Dude, it's like 50 miles an hour out here. Spinning in a circle. This is the biggest pain in the ass ever. Just basically trying to keep up with the wind and the current. Just slow rolling the drop shot on the bottom. I don't know. I'm out of options. Got one. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Little guy. Oh, yeah. Just a little guy. Oh, this is what I was getting last time I was in here. I mean, if they get to like 2 pounds, it's basically like a giant for in here. Just another little guy. Let's go to a darker craw. Put some of this crawfish, this stinky shit on there, and see what happens. They're looking at it on the bottom, but I can't get any of them to commit. Oh yeah, got him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotcha. Oh yeah, gotcha, big boy. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Put some crossing on that bad boy. I knew he was there. Freaking didn't feel it, man. Right when I popped it, he hit it and then swam at me. I'm like, why is the line slack? And then gave it the old yank him a good, dude. Look at that. Beautiful fish, huh? Yeah. Wintertime, she's cold. Get some of these freaking rods out of the way, huh? Jesus. All right, so they're not playing very much, but they're hugging the bottom, and I've thrown everything. Everything I got in my tackle box I've tried. First hit on the craw, dark color, so figured it out. Let's see if the pattern continues. Oh man, trying, man, throwing everything not to go back to drop shot, but dude, as soon as you go back to it, you start catching fish. What are you supposed to do? 2 hours of chatterbaits, crankbaits, throwing everything. I caught one on the craw, and then everything's on the bottom. Oh, no way. Oh, broke my freaking crankbait off. So I broke that last crankbait off. I am deep diving this thing, and I want this bait to be dragging the bottom because all these bass are just sitting chilling. I want this thing to be like skipping and just grabbing rocks and stuff, and I think I got hung up on a log or something, but this freaking line is actually pretty shit. Got one. Yes, sir. Right on the bottom, just like I said, baby. Drag that thing right through him. Oh yeah. I know those bass are just sitting on the bottom. I just want to smoke that thing right by him. Just put a 15-pound diver on there, or 15-foot diver on there, and just. This That's the problem with treble hooks, dude. The net just freaking... Dude, Chokey McGee right here. Dude, this little guy wanted it. Little smoker. On the graph, you can see him just chilling. They're not coming to the top for anything. I was like, all right, put on a deep diver and I'll send it down there, baby. I'm just cranking the shit out of this thing. I know on camera you guys think I should be throwing on the grass, but that grass over there, I'm not kidding you, is like this deep. There's nothing over there. You cannot fish that grass. It's like a big V. All these bass are like right in the middle. Holy shit balls, it's starting to blow out here. All right, I give up. Drop shot time. Let's catch some bass. Go. Woo! Second cast with a drop shot. I mean, I missed the bass, but 2 casts with a drop shot, 3 hours with the crankbait. You got to do wintertime fishing, man. Trying to make it action and fun, but what are you gonna do? No. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a screamer. It's a screamer. Heck yeah, dude. 4th cast. What do you want me to do, man? Oh. Yeah. I just put this bigger fluke on it, kept it on the bottom. That's all you can do. See that fat little fluke on there? 4 casts. I actually should have caught the other one, so there's 2 bass and 4 casts. Oh, you know, you're not supposed to use a fluke like that. It's supposed to be free weight. Bro, I will use anything I want the way I want. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna change this fluke out. Yeah, I'm using a fluke as a drop shot. I'm gonna change this bad boy out and put a, that's a horrible hook. Let's see if the white's better than the green. Fish had this fluke. Dude, a fish had this fluke the entire time. I thought it was the wind. What the hell, dude? I thought I was floating with the wind. I was like, all right. Oh my God, I'm dropping that. So that's like 3 for 7, 3 for 8 on the drop shot. Loves the white fluke right there. I know I'm not using a fluke, what it's intended for, but whatever. Little guys. Gotcha. Oh, dude, that was awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another 1 pounder, 1.5 pounds. Now how the hell that happened? All right. I don't know how you got this net. But 1 pounder. He swallowed the drop shot, and the drop shot went around his gill, so hopefully that guy makes it. Whew, that water's cold, man. 50-degree water right now. Got another one. Oh. Gotta go drop shot, man. I don't know what else to do. They're smoking it. Oh yeah. Get away with that trolling motor. That's a better one. Oh yeah. Good genetics right there. I love when these bass have those like perfect spots. This is like one of those wall hangers in about 10 years. Threw crankbaits all day, did everything fast, nothing. Go on the bottom, hitting them all. Did I get one? Or is that the ground? Nope, that's a fish. Got one. I thought I snagged the ground. Oh, hopefully it's a good one. Can't tell. Got that big old bill on that thing. What do we got? Oh, no, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think this might be my biggest one in the pond. Oh heck yeah, it is. Oh, get in there, baby. Deep diving crank right on the bottom. I thought this is all crappie right here. There's a big old bass sitting here. Don't you shake. Boom, baby. I knew the lunkers were in here. I mean, it's not huge, but for here, that's my biggest one yet, boys. Heck yeah, boys. Big old girl right there. Swamper mouth. Cool. All right, guys, that's it. It's getting way too cold and I gotta get out the water. So I appreciate you guys following along. Tomorrow, I'll probably end up back in Lake Havasu or doing something crazy and do some striper fishing. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you guys. Peace.